So what we have here is a big slope with really bad soil, so nothing's growing. It's also very shady. There's a lot of runoff because there's nothing to hold anything in place.
Right.
So we just went ahead and built, just for giggles, a small little wall here to give you a sense of what this would be like. You cut in here, okay?
Right.
You place the stones and you put more stones on. Ideally, you also have some gravel or some kind of small stones for drainage there. You divert the water here away from that. Then you build this up with some quality soil. Then you plant your shade perennials in here, but you're gonna go all the way around like this, right? Like this, okay? Like that, join up, and all the way through.